This video tutorial will show you how to reset your MyWorkforce profile password. Here are some good things to know before we get started. You'll need to know your MyWorkforce username, which is the email address you use to create your student profile. If you don't remember your username, please call Nova Workforce at 703-503-6300 or email novaworkforceanswers@mvcc.edu. Let's get started. First, go to the MyWorkforce website. Click on the Login Create Account link here. And in the sign-in box, under the password field, click on the Forgot Your Password link right here. Enter your username email in both of the fields for username and email. So you'll be entering your email address twice. Check the verification box and then click on Submit. A confirmation will appear on the screen saying a password reset link has been sent to your email. Check your email inbox or spam box and look for the password reset email. A password reset link will be provided on the email, which you can click on or copy and paste into your browser. The link to reset the password will expire in 24 hours. If you need further assistance, please feel free to call 703-503-6300 or email us at novaworkforceanswers@nvcc.edu. Thank you for watching.